everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to clear cookies and cache in Microsoft Edge. So if you also want to clear cookies and cache in Microsoft Edge, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Microsoft Edge. You can see over here, I've already opened it. So if you want to clear the cookies and cache, for that what you have to do is go to settings. In order to go to settings, simply click on the three dots that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is find the option for settings. Once you find it, simply click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. At left, you'll be able to find several settings options over here. So if you want to clear the cache, for that, click on the second option, that is privacy, search and services. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In order to clear the cache, what you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find this section for clear browsing data for Internet Explorer. Here you'll be able to find the option for clear browsing data now. This includes history, passwords, cookies and more. So what you have to do is click on the option choose what to clear. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Simply check on the box for the option that you want to clear. Make sure to select the cookies over here. Also select all the cache data if you want to clear it. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the delete option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. You can see over here it is being deleted. Now after that, your cache and cookies will be cleared. So that is how you clear cache and cookies in Microsoft Edge. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.